boat just broke off from the dock. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god. Holy fuck. Holy crap.
All that time they spent welding that.
Whoa.
I can't believe
Yeah.
the tugboats aren't in the water yet.
Holy.
Oh, it already did?
Yeah. Why are they not dropping the lines?
But it's going to spin around.
Holy.
Yeah, here comes the front end.
Holy. Holy crap. That is fucking scary. I like how everybody's like freestyle cruising. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. We now have a Patreon page we hope you check out. We are also an Amazon affiliate and all of the links are below, but tell us what we have.
Okay, so these are the key pieces that we have that shoot all of our videos. And I thought that it would be valuable to include the links in our Amazon program for you guys. We have the Mavic Air drone. We have the Canon 70x200L series lens. The Canon 5D Mark IV DSLR camera. We have a variety of GoPro cameras and the Mavic Pro 2, which we just got and is amazing, as well as recording equipment, Dell computers. We love those for our trips and editing. In any case, everything that goes through Patreon or the affiliate program goes to replacing this equipment as we travel the world, and
It takes a beating.
It all doesn't survive every trip. So it's really important if you can support us to support us that way.
Thanks everybody.
Thanks.